Hello friends, today I will tell you about how to make animation with images. First of all, you need to download lyrical.ll. Here's the first. You need to download lyrical video status maker. I have already downloaded it. Uninstall, I have to uninstall it. Again install it. You need to do this. Lyrical video status maker 15%, 28. You need to, I will tell you about the comments. It is wonderful and amazing app. It is very helpful. It is helpful in making birthday video, and a nice thing is that we can make video with photos. So it's installing. Follow these steps to make. You need open it. Done. Let's do. Um, Search it about your function. So I find birthday. I oh birthday song. Any type of song you search it. Kanda birthday song. Happy birthday song. It's so many songs will appear. I downloaded. Click here on this. It's starting download. Uh, Sometimes it gets 33, 34, 36, 37, 38, 40, 45, 46, 40, 52, 58, 59, 60, 63. You may have to take like this animation will appear. मैं तू मेरी यार. It's a Hindi song. So the download is complete. Click on use now. Select pictures. I'll go camera. Select your picture. I would okay. Is okay. Okay. Next. Reminder. Sometimes it's use no 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 14, 17, 19, 20, 22, 24, 26, 27. Sometimes lost होते हैं. I find 73, 75. Quickly, fast, please fast. Oh yes, changing time, process running, video rendering. 4, 5. Oh, 14. Quickly, please move fast, please move fast, please. So guys, please subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel and like the video and press the bell icon if you want to get my more videos. Please write in comment to get new updatation of videos. Please 57, 57, 62. It's an online app. Okay, friends. 76. Please move fast. Please, please. 90%. 95. Oh, it is completely person at I have only select two pictures. You have to select multiple choice. Your choice. Okay, guys. Thank you for seeing me.